Hi guys, it's Lynette back with another episode. On today, I am doing my client's hair, and her hair is natural. So we are defining her curl pattern with the coconut oil smooth and shine wrap foam. So I'm just basically taking the hair from the base and I'm coiling the hair with the comb and bringing the comb to the ends and basically defining that curl pattern. So here what I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair loose with our amazing Restore Growth Balm. Now this product helps to stimulate growth. Also it gives the hair a lot of moisture, and it also helps to seal the cuticles to give the hair that moisture retention that it needs. So I am basically saturating her hair with the product. And I'm sorry that I didn't put the product into the video, but that's what I'm using right now. I am using the Restore Growth Balm, and you will absolutely love this product. You can use it on natural hair. You can use it on relaxed hair. So you will absolutely love this product. Now, here what I'm doing is I am basically pulling the hair from the base. And this is just going to just lift the hair to make the hair more fuller, and I'm just pulling those curls loose. And I'm telling you, I absolutely love this product, and I know you would too. And thank you so much for watching.